So, covered the other doe, found her in the creek bed. Praise the Lord, 2 deer, meat in the freezer. We were expecting to get some milk today, some goat's milk. Church got semi-canceled or whatever you want to call it for today, as far as going out and about so people stay safe. So the people that bring our milk did not come, so we had a live feed for service. I think we only have like 18 ounces worth left of formula, and so we're like, yeah, that's not going to get us super far. I'm making a store run right now before we end up out of it and having to deal with this in the middle of the night. Wow, there are more cars here than I expected. Look at you, big boy. What are you doing in there, huh? What you doing, big boy? Hi. What you doing, Harrison? Huh? So last time we were walking through this bridge,
I waddled a lot more. Now he's 4 months old and we're back for a checkup, but it's awesome. The last time I was here, we're about to have the baby. So it's kind of crazy because like, man, having a baby seems like overwhelming. Like there's no way, like it's gonna be the biggest thing in my life. And when it's over, you're like, yeah, I did it. Like, I mean, it's awesome, but it's not as scary. I mean, it was scary, but you know you can do it physically. So it's kind of cool. Kind of feels like an accomplishment.
Yeah, it's neat to be back after 4 months with the little guy.
He's doing good.
It's crazy.
We know so much more about him and his personality and his looks, so that's super fun. 14.1 pounds. He's a big boy. He's big. Dad, he started out this way and he's already completely turned to the side. What are you doing, Nicky boy? What are you doing, Nicky boy? Are you playing? Are you having fun? What you doing?